Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Assistive Touch on Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Assistant menu. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now, in the search bar, type Assistant menu. You may see other suggestions pop up like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or wallpaper. But don't get distracted. You're looking for the one labeled Assistant menu. This is Samsung's version of Assistive Touch. Step 4. Now tap on Assistant menu from the search results. This will open up the settings page specifically for Assistant menu. Sometimes you might see a preview or summary screen. If that happens, just tap again to go directly into the full customization options. Step 5. For the last and most important step. Unfortunately, this is turned off. Tap it to enable the Assistant menu. You might also be asked for permission, so go ahead and allow it if prompted. Once activated, a small floating icon will appear on your screen. You can tap this anytime to access useful shortcuts like Home, Back, Volume, Lock Screen, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.